guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be doing a transformation. Get ready with me, okay guys? So guys, if you want to see how I transformed or how I went from 0 to 100 real quick, keep watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. So guys, having said that, let's get started. So guys, first thing I'll be going into my brows, making use of this brow gel, okay? So guys, the first thing I did was to line the underneath of my brow, then line the above, and then I went ahead to fill it in, okay? So guys, after filling it in, coming to the front part, I gave it a little bit of a hair stroke. And then making use of a concealer, I went ahead to outline my brow and as well clean it up, okay? So guys, after doing that, I just blended it out, making use of a small brush. So guys, making use of a concealer, I'll go ahead in order to cover up the dark circles of my lid. So guys, making use of the same brush I used earlier, I'm just blending it all out, blending out the concealer. So guys, I'll make use of this loose powder in order to set the concealer, okay? Or to set my eyes and my lid. So guys, this is in order to make sure that the eyeshadows doesn't crease, okay? So guys, I'll be making use of the yellow color there, okay, as my transition color. Okay, I'm just blending it back and forth, okay, on my eyes, above my lid. And then I'll be going into Morph 35O palette with this orange color there. So guys, I'm applying it on my crease, okay. I'm just taking more eyeshadow in order to build up the color, and then blending it all out. So guys, I'll be going in with this brown color there, okay. I will apply it a little bit below the orange color, okay. And as well blending it back and forth, okay guys. So guys, I as well applied it on my outer corner, as you guys can see, by blending it out. So guys, I'll be going in with the black color from the Morph 35O palette, okay, in order to darken my crease. And I'm just blending it out. So guys, make sure you guys are following me on my Instagram, okay guys? And also on my Snapchat, because I post daily on stories and as well. Okay guys, so guys, after that, I went ahead with the first transition color, the orange color, and I'm using it in order to blend out the black color and the orange color, okay, together. And so guys, after blending it out, I'll make use of the concealer in order to cut my crease, because I'll be doing a half cut crease, okay guys. I just apply the concealer on my lid, okay, on the half of my lid. And so guys, I'll be going with this shimmer orange color in order to place it at the center of my lid, of my eyes. So after that, I'll make use of this color there, okay guys. I'll use it to place it on my inner corner, okay, or the front of my lid. And then I will just lightly blend out the center of my lid and the outer of my lid, okay guys, as you guys can see what I'm doing. So guys, after I as well went ahead to blend out my outer corner, blend out the black and the orange color, okay. And so guys, I'll be lining my eyes, making use of this gel liner, okay guys. Just trying to give a very thin eyeliner, okay guys, for my lashes. And so guys, yeah, we are done with the face. For my primer, I'll be making use of this Nivea Men Poche Balm, okay guys. This is my all-time favorite. And then I'll be making use of this classic makeup foundation, okay guys. The shade I'm making use of is CF01. I'm making use of a beauty blender. I'll go ahead to blend it all out, okay? So guys, this is a transformation. Get ready with me, okay guys? I'm doing a 0 to 100 transformation real quick, okay guys? And so guys, as you guys can see how I'm trying to blend out in order to the foundation, in order to cover up my face properly, okay? Just need to dab the foundation on your face in order to blend it out. So guys, after blending out my foundation, I'll be highlighting my face, making use of this concealer, okay? And those are the areas of my face I highlighted. So guys, as I was saying, and I'm blending this out, making use of the same beauty blender I used. So guys, as I was saying, make sure you're following me on my Instagram. I post daily, okay guys, some outfits, okay? But as well, I'll be doing some hauls on YouTube as well. And so guys, to set my face, I'm making use of the same loose powder I used earlier. And I'm just going all over my face in order to set it because I have oily skin, okay? So I'm just taking like a generous amount, setting it, and later I'll blend it all out, okay? Allowing it to soak up the oils on my face. So guys, to set for my contour, I'll be making use of that powder in order to contour my face or bronze up my face or as my bronzer. So guys, now I'll be applying some blush. Okay guys, so guys, I'm going to tell you guys that I love blush so much. Okay, it changes everything. Okay, everything in my makeup routine. Okay guys, it makes the face pop. Okay guys, it's my favorite thing to apply. So guys, now I'll be highlighting my face, making use of this yellow highlighter. And then those are the areas of my face I'm highlighting, guys. Just check out the pigmentation of the highlighter. So guys, yes guys, those are the places I highlighted. So guys, after highlighting my face, I made use of a clean brush, okay, in order to blend out the highlighter hash lines. Okay guys, you guys can see the yellow patches, okay, on my skin. I don't want such, guys, so I'm just blending this all out, as you guys can see, so that the glow can seem and can look like a glow from within, okay, without any harsh lines or so. So guys, for my lips, I'm making use of this lip liner. Okay, I'll be putting the link in the description. I got it from AliExpress. Make sure you check it out. And I'm going ahead to line my lips also. So guys, after that, for my lipstick, I'm making use of this NYS liquid matte lipstick. Okay, it's in their velvet collection. And I'm going ahead to apply it all over my lips. So guys, that is it on how I went from 0 to 100 real quick, or on this transformation. Get ready with me. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share. Follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Love you all. Bye.